Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So we have decided to make this switch to Feedly. Maybe you have been using another RSS reader, the old reader, NewsBlue, or even an old desktop app that you have been using for years or for months, it depends. So you are ready for something new, a new update, but there is one thing holding you back. All those feeds, dozens, maybe hundreds of subscriptions that you have carefully curated over the years. The touch of adding them all manually, one by one, is enough to make anyone stick with what they actually know. So the good news is, you don't have to start from scratch. Since almost every RSS reader supports a file format called OPML or Outline Processor Markup Language. It's basically an XML-based format specifically designed to exchange lists of web feeds between different applications. So let's think of it maybe as a universal translator for your subscriptions. So fast and easy as usual, let's go and start with how to migrate from another RSS reader to Feedly. So you can try to export from your current RSS reader. Before you can import into Feedly, you need the OPML file from your current reader. The exact steps vary by platform, but I will try to talk about the general instructions. You have to log in into your current reader, go to settings or preferences, look for import, export, or backup subscriptions, select export subscriptions or export as OPML, then save the .opml file to your computer. Then you can easily import it to Feedly. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.